Hello everyone, in this video I'm explaining all about uh, Zoho Deluge, that you can simply type and search learn Deluge and you will get this pop-up, and so simply that you will get all the information like doing execute and it's showing the output. But in my computer there is a problem, but output is here in the below. So the next one is like so simple, and it's explaining about the variables, the variable name and the expression. The variable name is product, and product is like milk. And here, this one is, yeah, see, perfect, like it's processing. The next one is data types, and you'll learn all the things and the examples like the age, the pi number, the weekend, all the things like data types explaining. And here is you can simply see the code, and you can run it. Here is actually the quantity is 55, the value price is 250. I will do info price, then first info, the name, then info quantity. Execute the code. Yeah, it's done. Means here is showing out, but it's not showing my PC, but it's working. So the next one is the operators, and you get all the information, the arithmetics and the operands, all the things. And here is the code, and you put in the value. Here key is 5, and here is I will define the quantity. The price should be like with quantity. So this is the bingo, you did math. The process, like, it's how okay. I just add the addition. Press next, and here's the expression, the first name, last name, full name, and it's concat, and here's an empty string. So I'm doing info, simply showing the value of this variable, the process, and the commenting is like easily here, double slash, done. And the conditional if statements, the condition and the statement, like the quantity, the variable is 5, if quantity is double equals to the quantity, I will here simply that means info quantity. So I will run also the first this condition and second else condition. So here is I will put quantity, here is 20 if this variable not equals to product. I will info product quantity, else info. I will define another variable here, like goods equals to, and I will say Control V. I will execute this part. Goods. That's coming here, but it's working. So the next process is the conditions, the else if statements. So the condition is here is the variable is 20. Variable quantity double equals to quantity, and else I'm declaring another equals to 20. Here roots not equals to yeah, goods info quantity. Here info goods. Yep, it's working well. And you will see the output. Your output here means green is like okay. So press next. The list, as you can see here, is like the full syntax and the explanation with the example. Like languages contain these things: English, French, German, and info language easily. So I'm putting some values here. English, Persian, because I'm native Persian speaker. And actually this is language, should be language, language. Yeah, simply the output showing down. Sometimes this website's like it's not fully responsive, that's why. So the next process is like list, adding a value inside the list. Only this product, like Control C, yep, Control V, dot add value like this value, semicolon, and for product. Yeah, as you can see, it's like okay and working. Okay, then removing index. As you can see this example, I will remove the index of 0, 1, this one. So the list is product. Inside the product, as examples, dot remove index 1. It will remove this one. So info products. Yep, you'll see it's working. So the next one is like you can try for each and the entire things. It's easily, and you'll can learn also the functions, the resource, step by step, and you will get to know more about Deluge. Thank you.